Hello and welcome to Unit 2308 in the Minto Radiance at 33 Sheppard Avenue East at Young and Sheppard. So this is west facing, that's north facing. This is a great building. This is a great unit in a great building. Very large, 2-bedroom, 2-washroom, parking, locker, master switch over there. And the building itself has everything from a pool and a hot tub and let's see, I gotta stay still and think of all the things that are in it. Obviously, 24-hour concierge and security, visitor parking, guest suites, party room, sauna, pretty much, billiard room, lounge, piano bar, pretty much everything you can think of. This building has got it, so it makes it a real community. And it's a really great place to live. So let me take you on a look. It's about 1,000 square foot unit. There's something called a master switch for lights here. So when you're leaving, if you've left lights on in different rooms, including switch receptacles, those things will all flip off. This is one of the washrooms. It is a 4-piece washroom, tile floor, vanity lighting, fans, pot light in the shower stall. But when you first walk in, you'll have laundry right here, a little utility storage on both sides. That keeps it quiet and out of the way. It's a very deep closet right here. And then you've got your first bedroom right here with a western view. This carpet has to be professionally cleaned, and if it doesn't get cleaned, it will be replaced. The landlord's excellent with all those details. It's got a large floor-to-ceiling double closet. That's going to be an ensuite. Why not show you that now? Okay. It's got a recessed medicine cabinet, the same deep tub, tile, very easy to maintain, easy to keep clean. Speaking of clean, this unit will be professionally cleaned prior to its occupancy. Nice big window, lots of distance between you and the other buildings. Lots of windows that open. Let's meander through here. So, there's so many different ways to configure this space. And I've even seen a piano on this wall before. But you could put furniture on all sorts of, a lot of people who are downsizing from houses don't know where to put all their furniture. So this is a great building for that. Here is a large double closet. I've left the windows open in this particular suite. Oh, and they're cleaning the windows. Yay. Big. So this is our second furnace. Big windows, big view. All the window coverings are included. So many different layouts. Dining rooms here. You could have an office in here, dining room here. This makes for a very large space. You could have your eat-in area or dining room over here and your living space over here. There's connections for cable here and over here. So you've got a few different options for that, although everything's wireless now. So really you're kind of unlimited as to where you can place things. It's hardwood flooring. And let's just revisit this kitchen again. So it's a galley kitchen with a full-size window at the end. It's really nice, keeps it quiet and out of the way. There's maple cabinets, uppers and lowers, task lighting, dishwasher, fridge, which just clicked on for me. Nice clean microwave, clean range, and that's our deck. Let's go out on the deck, shall we? It's my staging. Nice. Okay, that's going to conclude our visit. I'll just let you see outside how high up we are. That's A nice big Vista. King of the world. I hope you can make it in. Hopefully this will help you decide whether you want to come in and have a personal showing of the unit. It's very simple to do. And if you're having any issues, reach out to me, Trevor, at trevorbond.ca, or have your realtor do the same. Thanks. Bye-bye.